Good morning, everyone. My name is Zia, and I make videos about full-time nomad life in my shuttle bus. We have our little porta potty set up. We have campers in the baby orchard where all the new little cherry trees are. And we even have Wandering Gigi here from YouTube. We are ready for tomorrow morning's workshop. We have our folders out with the written exercises in. We have the notebooks and pens, a few pretty flowers. It's a pretty plain room because it's a rental suite and somebody's moving in soon. So this is the setup for me. And this will be my view of all our lovely participants. Good morning! Come on, get out of the cold! Thank you so much for joining Anne and myself here. We're so excited about the potential of this gathering of women and hoping it's going to become an annual event. So welcome to the Time to Thrive workshop. So I hope you enjoyed being here this weekend. It's been such a privilege to have you all get together. I'm so glad you're all here. And thank you so much to Anne for sharing her lovely property with us. This wouldn't have happened without you. So, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Well, as you can see, the weather turned on us. It has not not been pleasant. And to top it all off, I am outside waiting for BCAA because I locked my keys in the bus this morning. We've had our seminar and our coffee break. The wine tour actually got cancelled because at the last minute several people didn't show up. I don't know if it was weather related or what it was. And there were only 2 left to go on the tour, and they were having so much fun with all the other women that they decided they didn't want to go on the tour. They wanted to stay here. So we're just all hanging out and enjoying each other's company and getting to know each other. And so far, I think it's been a really amazing experience. I know it has been for me and for my friend Anne, whose property we're on. And I think everybody's really enjoying themselves. So we're hoping this may become an annual event. So I'll come back to you later. Oh, I think my umbrella's going to blow inside out. Whoa, whoa. Okay, bye. So it's our last morning, and some of the ladies have gone to pick some of the remaining cherries and heading out. So Gigi is the second to last person leaving the Boulder Women's Camping Weekend. Bye. The field is empty once again as the last of our Boulder women heads out to destinations unknown. What an incredible group of women. Well, as you can see, I'm not in one of my normal settings. I'm down near Harrison Lake. I'm spending the Labor Day weekend with my son and just relaxing after all of the activities, the Boulder Women Workshop. I'm just relaxing now and recharging my batteries. The weekend was amazing. Even though the weather was awful for a good chunk of it, we all bonded so quickly. There were no upsets, no disagreements. Everybody left feeling that they were sisters. And most have expressed a wish to come back next year and do it all again. And I'm hoping that we have begun creating community among the nomad senior solo women in Canada. It was something that I had expressed to Bob Wells when I was down in Quartzsite, Arizona, and it's happened. It's happened in part. A great big thank you goes out to my friend Anne, who generously shared her beautiful cherry orchard with us for our event, and it was wonderful. We had a wine and cheese meet and greet, And the next morning we had a 2-hour workshop with coffee, tea, and goodies in between, baked by Anne. And the weather had turned very, very ugly on us at that point, so a lot of us stayed in the room where we did the workshop. Some went back to their vehicles to relax and read and do whatever. And so that did put a damper in things, because we would have preferred to have been outside, sitting in our camp chairs in Anne's lovely back garden, getting to know each other even better. But we did get to know each other, and I have to say it was a greater success than I even could have anticipated. So thank you to all of the participants. I love you all. I hope to see you all again. I might see some of you down in Arizona in January, and if not then, we're planning to try and make this an annual event, at least once a year. And so when those dates are available again, I will be putting them on my website. And any of you who had wanted to come this year that didn't get a chance to, or it wasn't the right timing, maybe we'll get to meet you next year. So we did it. And what's next for me? I'm going to spend the next couple of days just my son and myself. We've never done that. We've done things together, but we've never had a few days together just relaxing at his little holiday property. So I hope you're all enjoying the Labor Day weekend if you celebrate that wherever you are. I hope you can hear me over the wind. It's picking up a bit. But I'm going to leave it here. You know that wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. And I'm going to say bye-bye for now. I love you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.